Hello, and welcome to our ProKitchen tutorial on Waterfall Countertops. Waterfall countertops are countertops that drop vertically down the sides instead of stopping abruptly at the edge of a cabinet or island. In this video, we will go over how to create, place, and texture your waterfall countertop in the ProKitchen software. To create a waterfall countertop, we will be utilizing the floor user shape, which is found within our Architectural Elements catalog underneath the user shapes folder. Drag the floor user shape from the catalog tree and snap it next to the cabinet where you want the waterfall countertop to be created. Utilizing our point-to-point measurement tool, we will find the desired width we want for our countertop. Now, we will open the attributes menu for our floor user shape so that we may adjust the measurements to fill our desired spot. Using the measurement we have just gathered, we know that our width will be 25 inches. The depth for our floor user shape will be 1 inch because that is equivalent to the overhang of our countertop that we have established in our design settings. We will set the height to 36 inches to account for our cabinet height plus the height of the countertop, which we have set as 1.5 inches. Finally, we will select the Texture tab and choose As Countertop. Once you select OK, your floor user shape should now appear as a rectangle in your plan view. If your floor user shape is facing the wrong direction, you may correct the orientation by alternating the width and the depth of your user shape until it is facing in the correct direction. With our floor user shape in place, render your design in 3D and see the floor user shape we have just modified become a waterfall countertop in our design. This has been a ProKitchen tutorial video on how to create a waterfall countertop. In this video, we discussed how to create, place, and texture a floor user shape to create the effect of a waterfall countertop in our design. Thank you for watching our ProKitchen Waterfall Countertop tutorial.